Jeff Glancy, the founder and owner of Honest Speed Shop. We're excited to announce we've expanded the shop. We are more full service now, doing installs, service, and also going to be able to offer detail services.
Hi, my name's Matt Everett. I'm the owner of Hillier Green Detailing Garage.
We're excited to be located next to Honest Speed Shop. We do everything from interior detailing, exterior detailing, paint correction, ceramic coatings, and fluid film undercoating. We're also now proud to be authorized 22 PLA ceramic coating installers and distributors. Stop by any time and we'll make sure that your vehicle leaves spotless and protected.
We have some of the best Jeep, truck, and car techs around. Jamie and Zach really know their way around a vehicle. They have a lot of experience and they are excited to help you enjoy what you drive. We just installed a Hunter alignment rack so that we can properly align your vehicle, whether it's stock, lifted, or lowered. We're one of the only shops in town that can properly do that.
Hi, my name is Jeff Bowen. I'm the sales manager here at Honest Speed Shop, where we specialize in rare, unusual, and European cars. But we can also get minivans, SUVs, regular cars to be driven daily, or whatever you want to drive for the best price. Come on down to the Speed Shop and check us out.
Hi, I'm Ruth Ann. I'm the office manager here at Honest Speed Shop, and I'm looking forward to help you enjoy what you drive.
With the new shop expansion, we're excited to help more people enjoy what they drive. Give us a call at 614-853-8730, and our website is honestspeedshop.com.